Welcome everyone. Hope you all would be fine and doing great. This is Ghazala Abdo, lecturer in education from Government Girls Degree College, Nowshera Feroz. First of all, I am very thankful and I really appreciate the efforts of our SIN Education Department. It is an amazing opportunity not only for students, also for teachers too. So a huge appreciation for SIN Education Department. I am going to cover in today's lecture. These are growth, development, physical development, stages of physical development, period of infancy, period of childhood, and the period of adolescence. First one is growth. Growth is a process of physical maturation resulting in increase in size of the body and various organs. As Dr. Frank said, growth is defined as gradual development in maturity, age, size, weight, or height. An example of growth is the life of humans. The way they grow time by time, as it is a natural process every individual experiences. So it is a responsibility of the parents. They should take care about their children's food and cleanliness so that they can save their children from many dangerous diseases. Though it is their growth period, parents should be careful about their children. Development is a process that creates growth, progress, positive change, or the addition of physical, economic, environmental, social, and demographic components. Development is a process of growth and change that take place between birth and maturity. According to UNDP, development is to lead long and healthy lives, to be knowledgeable, to have access to the resource needed for a decent standard of living, and to be able to participate in the life of community. One is physical development. First of all, we have to describe that what is physical development. So, it is a process that starts in human infancy and sometimes into late adolescent concentrating on gross and fine motor skills, as well as puberty. Stages of physical development: period of infancy, period of childhood, and the period of adolescence. The period of infancy starts from birth to 5 years. In this period, the growth of body increases quickly, and the weight of child can be 5 pounds, 6 pounds to 7 pounds, and the height can be 20 inches. In 1 year, the weight can be 20 to 22 pounds, and the height will increase according to weight. In 2 years, the weight of child can be 24 to 28 pounds. In 5 years, the weight of child can be 37 to 40 pounds. Children grow at a rapid pace between birth and 2 years of age. But once they hit 2 years, toddlers tend to have slower growth. This is when parents get concerned about the changing eating habits of their child and wonder whether the child is growing normally. In this period, child can start love playing and learn good and bad habits. They start memorizing different names of things and wants to go outside. So sending them in the school in this period will be quite beneficial for their personality. And second one is childhood period. This period starts from 6 to 12 or 13 years of age. In this period, physical growth decreases while mental growth increases. Due to this, they remember many things from educational aspect. It is important period because they have great enthusiasm to learn and invent things. Early childhood is a time of remarkable physical, social and emotional development. Infants enter the world with a limited range of skills and abilities. Watching a child develop new motor language and social skills is a source of wonder for parents and caregivers. Adolescence period, which is the last one. This period starts from 13 to 18 or 20 years. Young people go through many changes as they move into physical maturity. During this period of raging hormones, there is 2 years difference in growth spurts. Girls experience at approximately age 10 and boys at 12. At this time, oil glands and sweat glands also increases in production, causing pimples. If the parents will not care for their child's nurture, then the individual will lead a tough life and will make others' life miserable too. Parents should be more these stages of physical development. Parents play a huge role. I hope you people understood this lecture. At the end of my lecture, I want to suggest you people that kindly stay at home and don't go outside. Follow the precaution of doctors and government and continue your learning at home. Thank you all.